Hi everyone, today me and my dad are going to draw a picture of a cake. Draw a straight line. And then at the top, draw the same thing. And connect these two lines. And at the side, draw the block, I bet. Actually a line. But we're making a block out of the line. And at the top, draw a line. And draw a bend. Here's one block. Now draw a line up. And draw another line, the same thing. Now up here, draw another line. Here's my favorite part, to add the candles and decoration. You can draw how much your brother or sister is old. My brother is turning 4, but right now he's 3. So how to draw the candles is just a straight, and then to the side, and then down, and then more. Now, up here, we'll draw a wiggly line and back, a wiggly line and back, a wiggly line and back, a wiggly line and back. Next, we'll add some decoration. Our own, I think. We are done sketching, now we will color. And you can color your brother's name or something. Or sister's. We'll decorate candles now. We're done with coloring. Next, we'll color these two. I'm not done because I want to write something on the cake. I want to do happy. Happy birthday to my brother. I don't have room, so I'll say bro because that is short spell brother. We're done. Bye.